how to block someone from seeing your post on Facebook without unfriending. First of all, open your Facebook, make sure that you're logged into your account, then simply tap on the profile icon right here. Then in here, if you scroll down a bit, here you can see I have posted a post long ago. So now I'm going to post a new picture. I'm going to go up and in here tap on create, then tap on post. Then you can tap on gallery in order to select a picture. Now I'm going to select this one particularly, tap on next. Now I want to block someone from this post. What you're going to do is simply tap on the option public right here. After doing that, you can see the same thing again. Tap on see all, then tap on don't show to. Then you'll see your friend list. Select the friend that you want to block like this, then tap on done. Then tap on done one more time, add the status that you want, and all you need to do is tap on next, and then tap on post. And just like that, we have successfully blocked someone from seeing your post on Facebook without unfriending them. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.